Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki, and today we're sharing 5 unexpected storage solutions that we've made for our own homes that might work for your home.
Number 1 is right where we're sitting is underbed storage. So we all have some kind of bed, and you might have some area under the bed that you're not using. So 2 ideas. One is if you have a bed that has a box spring and so there's not as much space underneath the bed, you could use the base from an old baby crib to make under the bed shoe storage. Very simple to use the frame and just add a couple appliance casters to it, and then you're ready to go for storage under your bed. Now, if you don't have a box spring, you might have some more space under your bed like me, and you can make a custom box. So we actually used scrapped wood that we had on hand, and we pieced it together, and then we actually put some pallet wood on top of it, and we made these really cool boxes. And I keep a lot of my bags in these storage boxes underneath my bed because you never know when you need a bag for what occasion.
Number 2 is a great idea if you need storage but don't want to take a floor space, but you have an extra wall. You can make wall-hung storage like I did here in my bathroom. I was able to customize the top using epoxy and mica powders using the colors of this bathroom.
Number 3 is bathtub storage. Now, you probably weren't expecting that. So I have a large tub that I don't really use as a bathtub, but I do always need storage space. So I created a very simple top for the bathtub using melamine, and I also put a hinge on it so I can hinge it up where I could actually use it as a bathtub, but mostly I'll just hinge it up so I can get to the storage inside. And this is something that we installed a few years ago, and I use this every single day. I store stuff inside, and I also store stuff on top. So this is a great one if you have a big tub that you don't use a lot.
And number 4 is a 2-sided rolling shelf unit. Now we use ours inside the house to store paints and batteries because both of those things need temperature control, and it's not a great idea to store them in your garage. Now we use MDF for this build, but you could also use plywood or whatever else you have in hand. Now it looks like it's a complicated build, but if you look at the video, you see that it's very modular. You'll see we're building the same unit over and over, and then we just put them together at the very end. Just think about where you could use this in your own home. One side is more hidden and the other side is more visible, where you might want to have things that you use more often. You could put books or whatever, and the nice thing about this is it moves.
And number 5 is a shelf, but with a secret. So we actually got these little vintage fronts from a friend of ours, and we wanted to come up with a way to utilize them in a shelf, and we realized that they would be great shelves, but we could also magnetize them to the front of the shelf and then have storage inside. So this is a great way to have some visual shelves that you can put some cute stuff on, but then also have some storage that you might not want to see the stuff inside, or you want to hide something inside like some candy and no one knows about it. Well, okay, Mom, you just forget about it. It's fine. So this could be a great way to add some storage that people don't even know about. And there you have it. That was 5 unexpected DIY storage solutions for your home.
Now we have a full video on every single one of these projects, so you'll find those links below, and just go down there and check it out. And there's also a playlist if you want to watch them one after the other.
And if you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.
And number 4.
4? Number 2.
I'm fast. I'm already.
It was so long.
I'm already to the end of the video.
It was so long. You like so long. Number 2.
Number 2.